Let me introduce myself. I am Lakshmi Jaykumar Rajat. I head the HR functions for world's leading software solutions company in legal space called Epic. Epic is headquartered at US, having about 9,000 employees worldwide. When I was first approached to talk about the current situation, how different companies are dealing with it, how people are reacting to it, and all these kind of things, I had no idea what I should be talking about. Mainly because every company has their own way of dealing with situation which they feel works best for their organization. I always believed in one particular aspect in life is that one solution does not fit all. It's the same for all the situations in life. So when I thought a lot, I thought, let me talk about what worked for my company, how it's been presently done in my organization. So if it can help other companies to take some points out of this, which would help them, I will feel more privileged to having had this talk with you all. So around March 2020, we started working from home. Even before going into that, let me tell you, Epic is located in 3 places in India: Hyderabad, Mumbai, and Pune. Epic came to India through acquisition of a company called Aries. We are close to about 550 employees right now. We started our operations sometime in 2019. So when the whole pandemic situation started, we didn't have any idea how we should be looking at it. To be very honest, we didn't plan anything. But I would always say that I am among those fortunate HR professionals who have worked in an organization who reacts to situations fast. They know what works well. And we had an idea as to, okay, with this pandemic going on, most of our employees would be working from home. Where we be prepared? The answer is yes and a no. Yes means we knew all our employees had laptops. All the employees have tested work from home one way or the other at some time during the 2019 till now. So we knew, yes, it works. But how much does it work? We were not sure about. Like all companies, we do have a business continuity plan. We have established it, but always real-time scenarios are different. I always tell this to all my HR friends in my fraternity that I've been among those HR professionals who've been very lucky where my employees didn't trouble me for anything during this pandemic situation. They just eased into the work from home just like this. Maybe because they were very confident that they have the required resources from the organization. They had the required skill set to do the work better, and even more, a group of leaders who actually trusted in them and is always available for them 24 by 7. So coming to productivity, like always, I always say that my key interest was never on productivity because I knew my employees or my colleagues will give their best. They have always proved their efficiency. So I was never worried about productivity. But what I was more worried about in this pandemic was their mental well-being. I know very few companies think about this, or very few people actually think that there are situations which can arise out when you don't have a strong mind. We see around us so many things are happening. We recently heard Sushant's suicide, and so many other actors or known personalities who have taken up a step which we would never think they would have done. What does that show? It shows that more than anything, it's a mental well-being which is of key importance. So what did I do in my company? You would be asking that question, right? Yes. So what we did was, we do have regular town hall meetings, which we do it by the business unit so that we can give utmost attention to smaller groups. We HR do conduct small HR connects. We conduct engagement activities. What are these engagement activities? These engagement activities are health talks, seminars. We conduct yoga for our employees, and the latest fad, the Zumba sessions and whatnot. In fact, let me tell you a very funny thing was that the people were more keen and they waited for the Fridays for these events to happen. And we even conducted a live musical concert, a jam session, where our employees who could sing and who can play instruments came up together and put up a kind of a live musical recorded concert, which we shared with our employees and told them to enjoy it during whenever the free time they had. And it was well received. So these were a couple of things which I did as part of the engagement activities, and I feel that it helped us in connecting more with our colleagues who are, some are in Hyderabad, some are in Pune, some are in Mumbai, some are in remote villages because they went back to their villages when this pandemic happened. One thing probably we all leaders have accepted is that COVID is a situation right now, is a way of life. We have to accept it till a vaccine comes out. That means more work from homes. As HR professionals, it is our responsibility to come up with innovative ideas which brings the people together, because at the end of the day, we are all social beings. We like being connected. We don't prefer to be just inside the walls of a house where we are all confined to right now. I don't think that's what we want. We want to be together, and the HR as professionals should try the level best to come up with these kind of things. We are slowly planning our return to work now. No, don't take me wrong, not immediately, slowly, in phases. And we have done the necessary hygiene and sanitations of the office. And we will be bringing in people who are very essential right now, who doesn't have an internet bandwidth at home, or who are finding it difficult. Will be those employees who will be coming first, followed by other employees, but not immediately. I always believe one thing, it's employees' health and safety, which is a well-being. So as an HR professional, for me right now, I have only one message: stay safe, everyone, wherever you are. Always remember that this pandemic taught us that with small things we can be happy. With limited means, we have learned to adapt to things and do things much better. God bless all. And with that, I would like to sign out. Thank you all. If anyone wants to connect to me to get more ideas, I would be more than happy to help you in whatever way I can. Thank you all.